The number of measles cases continues to rise in Texas and neighboring New Mexico, and now we're getting reports that pharmacies are struggling to get enough doses as demand for the vaccine spikes. I spoke to this Walgreens here behind me earlier, and they said they do have the vaccine in stock, but that it had been running low. The Guardian newspaper is also reporting that pharmacies across Austin and even in West Texas, where this outbreak is concentrated, are coming up against supply issues. And in some locations, pharmacies are limiting vaccines to high-risk groups. There have been nearly 230 confirmed cases of measles in Texas and New Mexico, and it's concentrated among an unvaccinated community and among unvaccinated individuals. There have been 2 deaths so far, including an unvaccinated 6-year-old who officials say had no other underlying health issues, and that was the first measles death in the U.S. in 15 years. For some people, this has been, scary enough to get their children vaccinated, and that is why we are seeing such high demand right now. Public health officials have also confirmed a case in Maryland. They say that it's not related to the outbreak here in Texas or New Mexico. It was in a person who had recently traveled abroad, but officials are now working to identify anyone who may have been exposed, including people at the Dulles Airport and a pediatric emergency room. Measles is one of the most contagious diseases on the planet. It can live in the air for days. There's this very long incubation period, so the number of cases is actually thought to be much higher than what we are seeing. And we are just 3 months into 2025, and the number of confirmed measles cases is about to surpass the total number of cases in 2024, with outbreaks now detected in more than a dozen states, including California, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New York. And the new health secretary, RFK Jr., a known vaccine skeptic, has expressed concern about this, but has not encouraged people to get vaccinated, saying that it is a personal choice. And it's that choice not to get vaccinated that many health officials would say is behind this outbreak. Tony Waterman, Scripps News Group, Austin, Texas.